Hello everyone, in this video we will be seeing the bills module. So in the option menu bar, once you tap on bills, you will see a bills page where by default you will be able to see all the invoice bills. Once you long tap on that bills icon at the top, you will be able to see all the estimate bills, and once you further long tap on that bills icon, you will be able to see all the total bills. And you can filter these bills day wise, week wise, month wise, and you can also specify the particular range for which you want to see the bills, like this. And here the retailer has an option to delete the estimate bills if he wants. The retailer also has a provision to convert the estimate bill to invoice bill if he wants. Now here he can also edit the bills, and the bills that are older than 14 days can never be edited. So this can be done only for the bills which are made within 14 days. So he can just come to the bill and he can long tap on that bill. Then he will see a pop-up asking whether he wants to edit the bill or not. So he can tap on yes, and then again the bill will flow to the sales cart whichever is empty, and here he can edit the bill. Let's say he can edit the cash like this, and he can tap on done. So this is how he can edit the bill, and this will be saved to the bills history again. Now here all the edited bills will be reflected in a red color, which you are able to see over here, and this is how the editing will be done. Please keep in mind that credit bills can never be edited. Now here in the status section, you will be able to see there are two icons. The first icon is the circular icon, that is for payment. If this icon is black, that means that bill's transaction has not yet been completed and it is a credit bill, so the payment is due for that customer. And if it is a green icon, that means the payment is completed for that particular customer and there are no dues left. And you can also see a delivery icon beside that icon, so that specifies that the bill has not yet been delivered. If you press that delivery icon, you will be able to mark it as delivered and it will be converted to green color. Now here you are also able to see the snap order icon. So this is the icon which specifies that that particular bill is a snap order bill. And for more details regarding snap order, you can refer to the snap order module. So this is all about the bills. Thanks for watching.